When it comes to sales, most of us realize that sales is the driving force of every business. No sales, no business. But what many business owners are still in the dark about is that in the last 2 years, we have been a part of the greatest shift in the history of the business landscape. The shift, I call it the AI sales revolution. Hi, I'm Violet Rainwater, and I'm a sales architect and the founder of the Rainmaker's Way, where I help businesses make it rain in the modern workplace. And I'm so excited to share that I have partnered with the Carlsbad Chamber of Commerce to bring to you a 3 hour workshop where we're going to roll up our sleeves and learn exactly how to leverage AI in every stage of the sales process, from generating leads to doing deep research to target market analysis to content creation. You will learn how AI does all the heavy lifting. So sign up today because on July 25th from 9 to 12, we're going to make it rain at the Carlsbad Chamber of Commerce. I can't wait to see you there.